My mother.
How dare you?
Shut up.
Just say a word again and I get part of
my own mother. Sikanyi sama jeta fioti. Na yenyi Grace Natty. Wanembani na nama McBrown na Albert. From I am paying Albert. I wanna here for never besia.
I need your mother-in-law here. Is she going to stay with you forever?
She lives here with us.
La life.
My own mother.
Come here, des enfants, toi.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking to you.
Remove your head from my table. What have I done? What, for heaven's sake?
My own mother.
Come and eat.
My own mother.
I am your father and your brother.
My own mother.
My mother, right? My mother.
Films, just by sons, I cry no Kumasi. Miracle Films again. My own mother. And four.
We have all come to know that it was your mother.
Sana Nina, Sana Hefoda, Kakasha Nenuas.
Who will believe me?
Witch!
A witch.
You evil spirit!
Oh!
No, me padesha be.
This is my house, I can't go.
My own mother. And four.
Precious God.
When you swear your name, you are doing. And Johnny is Yama Korea. And Jamami than a Badamfu.
Oh, I've missed my children. I don't love me.
My own mother. And four. By one, I'm here for no hood.
I'm a diplomatic witch.
Some casino wabi. Mama McBrown and Indiana say. One cup for 1 minute. Obaja Tuma. Something to a miracle food. And the spice stores are cry on you.
The Lord is my shepherd.
Everybody say, I tell you, we're being no can say, or that is sanity.
Where is the money? Na oyoko kunti anase.
Hey papa, awuba besia no we fio. Oh dey titi na ho fio wana.
It is all my wish to have dollars. That cocoa farm, Anyankopon Diamond, I have to benefit on it.
Nonsense.
Katisi so name.
Red food.
Akatisi da. Did it book.
Sikeni bre. Bakwane.
Waju wensa ofia. Lefa emi na mayera aso.
Kinsa keke na namope.
Foolish.
Nonsense.
Red food.
Sikeni bre. Bakwane. You go carpenter nya lost man. Us your boy I'm a beautiful. Run a watch and papa beautiful the show. What's the name? Sikeni bre. Bakwane. Do kanodwa. Miracle Films I do. Documentary. Sikeni bre.
Someone, Mufata City.
The work will tell papa something.
Go West. Something.
Sikeni bre. Beautiful Sapodo dollar physical. Hey,
American guys in Ghana.
aha. Abasuama. Bibia Sikeni bre. Beautiful Sikeni bre. Of the dollars up. And then you had to Sikeni approaching to address what
This is your in-law, my son. Yes,
no, I'm a beautiful woman. I'm a some Sikeni bre. Miracle Films, I cry. The fighters, I cry. On your Dantamanto. Miracle Films, I say.
Sisi Ade, number one.
What do you mean by that?
Beautiful, no, yeah, you must see. What for Bessia, Bessia, and I'm a man and Indian Bessia. What a negligent to Bessia nephew.
Yes, I'm on the bag. You can't make me be what?
No, yeah, some.
Do this or I did refuse.
On a pan, I'm here. What's I here?
If yes, it's not. Hey, don't worry. I find a man who said I can't. So I don't like that. This woman, I go die. She go die. Let me see. Die.
Run about the action.
Now, yeah.
And I'm say, I'm wearing beautiful no bomb from Then you swear Pachawi. Let the mammy and India enemy back at them.
And yes, I'm over some.
Tap them into a miracle phone. And a despite stores. Aqua, you come and say. 3 and 4.
Oh, I would die. Oh, I would die.
Bradley.
3 and 4. McBrown freeze here.
Why the monkey the work? You babu, you want chop.
And a beautiful. But then you marry who names you are.
Why, my brother? Why they disturb my life?
What do you want from me? What do you want?
I still love you.
3 and 4. 20. Beautiful by a houseboy. When a man and a boyfriend is you.
I can't live my life without this woman.
Boy, even banana. And the miracle phones. And the despite stores. Aqua, you come and say. Whiny. A DNA, come water, and come deep, oh, him, whiny. A DNA, come water, and come deep, and so on you many, although on you many, come water, and come deep, Nanso anyimeni, odo anyimeni, kami oda.
Do you like him?
Hey! Just know him. Dear not here.
I'm just talking with your mother.
Me do be fi ase bobo mani. Me do ba se be chichire wa busua wa. Nko modifo bi eni fi a. Mano ka che osisa betra. Sorry besin. Sorry besin.
Excuse me,
Sorry besin. Sorry. Besin. Excuse me. But I'm going to say, the material and then it's a way. What do you say?
I'm just talking with your mother. Nothing.
Come, who probably come on? What when you could never, as some son. What can you rack here? I feel probably needing come on. Hey! Oja pade na samo TV ni ba si na wo bibi nko mo difu ni buwa na oba bia me ni ba fi ade mpesa na ana wa no beto ni yo we get no
Oh my God. What is this? Yay! They said they are Jesus.
Go inside. Son of catch up. Huh? Son of catch up now. And I'm doing what I said, Mammy couldn't come up.
Fine.
Remember, on come on for me of ya. Let me that one. What for me? Whom I send it for? Papa baby, a good dear, been brady been a good ha. A soon boom, mammy. I said, on said, what for the gun, Abraham, who will be. A ban is saying one amount, one says, son of form. Calling me, Mammy couldn't come.
So they may buy the action. I wasn't cooking baby. That's why I went downstairs.
Who could be dear? You know, do but fear. I didn't tell me who said anything more. A rubber? Oh, Baba Busia. Not the cancer market here, me boy. Me, mamma, and just at 2 where you commentator ends. I can take one cast over Suja and answer over her. Nonsense. Catch him, send a comedy. A rubber? Make it a man, but you know, I want that in a show in your go. I shall walk. Sha. Come on, Bonnie. Mamma, before I show a lie. No, my before I show a lie. When you're warning, mammy, Me ma me no to no. Me na me buafu no no ni paketo a. Ba ya ambassador no si ho no. Afa no oba retire. What? Nonsense. Remove. What are the man? Rufus when you India film be now here. Me ka some cho him anim to be wa. Said the wager wa dey fie no a wo ka kan. Awuraba. What are the go? I shall wo.
Me pacho. My friends are if you say me nya shawo ni.
Oh. Zero. Unya shawo. Ah. Na baby am be fa o. Na ho ya so dey. Baby am be share on parliament. Anase mu ye player towers na mo na mo ye empabo ade ama atutu ahunhu. Ah? Baby am be hu na shawo na wo. Wo so ni di ano. Anase mu ye player towers na mo na mo ye empabo ade ama atutu ahunhu. Ah? Baby am be hu na shawo na wo. Wo so ni di ano. Ah, me catch yourself me kura metum because nye faako one place na me wisu. Afi di bibi.
Actually, anone da me yesem de me ho hye say adwumani. Na obeto me nye bi da.
Oh, so I shall virgin. Virgin I shall ube munchei. Ani o ye lucky. Say nra mimi mum na mbefa no bai. Na nka wo ye printing mistake na akofa yirima fo ni bia. Kasa mbi odi ewure wonu se ne wato dra unim dra. Ha! Mi de min kon sawo. Mi be fa ba se mi be wisu matu aka. So de be ye de odi be ya odi ahe. Aha, wan kasa. Hi na wo free. Na wo te bia ne se na obo bre so ne se. Onye hwe kira mi na mi kira wo ne nti amikasa.
It's a long story.
Long story. In the head.
My father, it's the former judge.
Tis I knew me touch your party, but you, because I knew the hits. Whiny. Oh, make us a whiny, make show. Whiny.
No, I don't like the way you starting it.
Which way do you like it? Just pick the key I'm singing. Whiny. Jenny. Come water. Anka me di brewo. Good.
Oh,
Let's go. Yeah, you can sing, baby. You can sing.
All right.
You get the voice. Whiny. Jenny. Come water. Anka me di brewo. Baby, you're killing me. One more time.
Whiny.
Jenny. Anka me water. Anka me di brewo.
So dear
Wanyemeni. Odo wanyemeni. Come water. Listen to this one. Yeah. And Ella na michono. Bye. Baby I me depani. Nansu wanyemeni.
Odo wanyemeni. Come water.
Emi mama say wo voice out. Nti che. What they converse over papa. You producing with it.
Me papa number. You know my father is a difficult man.
Oh, come on, baby.
Anyway, what I'm name back at.
Where this can be? This can be feels at meme level, no, a new local level. Econo international to say Jay-Z, Kelly, Joe Thomas.
You're right.
Sangofono.
Okay.
So you're very cash. Very soon.
We have to work hard.
Oh, come on, baby. This is a hit track.
No guys won't fit you on. You worked day and night. Yeah.
Okay, I will start day and night. How about that?
No problem.
Day and night.
No problem.
Once more.
Okay, let's go.
whiny, whiny,
whiny, whiny,
Danny, Danny, come here, water, and come here, bro. And then so when you many, what do you do?
Oh, when you many.
Ah, come here, water, and come here, bro.
Whiny, whiny,
whiny, whiny,
Danny, Danny,
Danny, Danny,
I'm
coming to
and you're going to chum to him,
featuring Nanny, you know.
And so when you many,
me do when you many, come water, I'm coming to Bo, you know what, Mechi.
Okay, whiny, whiny,
kicking no bono.
Okay, whiny, whiny.
Danny, Danny, come water, and come with the road. Thank you. And yeah, where your double? Once more.
Wani.
Danny, Danny, come water, and come with the road.
And so all that one you money.
Would you give me?
Where Maracas?
Yeah, catch it. Come water, and we will.
Ay.
Ododia welcome me there. Ododia welcome. You will see Gado. You what the kind. You are more fedo. And you welcome Mudo. And so many would idea. Alright, Akumamudo. Seminia Michelle Power. What's I started? Ododia welcome. Ododia welcome, Sasa. Ododia welcome, me day. Ododia welcome. Odotia me, you are soon a BMA. What the papa want to me near BMA. And Tia, one for my coordination for Sika, Odosu your dopa. You can say this costume Shema. Where they walk me cry. Where they are so much. My man Kofina, Mesha and Tanasan and Church, near costume, and could Kangu. And you will hate me, I hate you. Sir, I hate me. Beg it. So, again, it's your new way. It can be not that so. And then the papa that so, yes, Lala. Obwa, Ebefa. Your father come one about your pemipo, and a papa. And be not my family that share me start here, sir. Obana and me, one penny. The papa no bush for be a 1 penny. I'm what is my head, okay, Besha. That from Dimachi. Me ya da me reku no mu di machi bebre hwe e tro mo same mo sika me hwe e ma na na se oba no hwe oba no ene ne ma me no na busuafo na won pira wa ye no so before me yi abom ni pia jaja ene se me yitia papa no kra o be di machi o yitia me ka bia se papa no ko hwe obekuta ntale ama baby ende anhwa entumi nsi hwe no no obinya se ne ba aware superstar a whole superstar. Any onim, Mamma, David, my cuckoo, Mamma, no cacao, what I cost you a bit of that. Couldn't know. Sati and who said Mati bucket day because I David made the cuckoo maple cocoa, the color, nothing feel large, no, just so ayo.
And I've made a cuckoo, my cocoa, the color, na fifi lie. Hey, Nani, the Viacata Nanila, I got them a woman, the Ficla, Imagina, Homanica, Naduna, Fatida, the Viacata, Flamma, Coco, the color, Cocola, Homa, and Sato, having made a cuckoo, now me talk when I hey, I haven't made a cuckoo high. Hey, Charlie, me, I will make a show a new way. Oh, Charlie, that's how you need the edu. Bonnie, my son, me do a hitty. Missy will the best hit. When I make a send a bear, papa, obey feeling. I'm not seeing my back on the banner who dream pa. Send out to me a tron woman, a banner, and then your man, me say, and I was a me flogs in shame. Obi ba flogs ye. Seminya sika mashawa manabuso flogs ye me day. Ada dia wa onsa me the flogs shame my bed. About the pa bed flogs in the dinner no. Again dia da sa na olusuga sa no. Montie ne mama ne papa no hwe. Bi da bi sa de we oba ntiete sa nyoma no oba ma no pena dono. And found Sikania no you a musician, footballer. So a footballer, doctor, a damn crowd apart from so I am robber. Don't know. I know crime robber and a crowd. And then it be a Jenny better man in the middle. If you are smart, you will sika win your boom. When it be swag, drinking padu the co-room. Second person worry sickening. When the person worry denny. It may be a juma. And for us, I will judge, doctor, soldier, minister, labourer, teacher, and I said driver. And so young to 40, you will see us say, a BC up a man, a BC and no crack, a BC a shakra. That's how we are question for shit. That's why you're being crying. But now we're one any jar. Yanum na wabo. Party I say yes, yanum na wabo. Adore I say, yanum na wabo. Radio so TV so yanum na wabo. Itika hunu send them to 4. Yes, you won't fast swapper. Itika hunu send them to 4. Me say, yes, you won't fast swapper. Nice, you're doing it. I love it.
Okay, so now let me try this one.
OMABOE, mere menya prebo, nyobia wami prebo, ajani bi anani bi, nyobia wami prebo.
Let me play this. Stop it.
Okay, come on, play.
I don't like that. I don't like
No, catch on no matter what if you're never if you are prebu. Oh, it's it, Frost. And what I'm a mobile friend, oh, Madachima. Oh, when me papa, Dachim, because Metawabo Sado, it's a animal to the prebu. Every man, what if you are? Hey, young man, when did you enter this premises?
Father, he's my friend and he has every right to come here.
Hey, stop! Oh!
Father!
Is there somebody? Well, somebody no look good there. If you are. Now, now. You! Into me, bravo, you know. Check yourself. Check yourself. Me, bravo, you know. It's a sign you pay for. Do what no guitar them with you. What one you be What did this step? Concentration. Look, who told you I built this house for irresponsible young men? Hey, Cratchy. Come on, leave my house. Leave my house! No, catch you there. Mr. Them fear to make guitarists and musicians.
Father, you can't do that.
I can't do what? Hey! Hey! If I didn't remember what if you have, Frost, come back home. I'm talking to my daughter, and she is waving that stupid boyfriend of hers. Hey! Come!
Father, you can do
Frost,
that.
why are you disgracing me? And you have to be a for the musician. Oh!
Father, listen,
Kafa at least, engineer, chartered accountant. I mean doctor, medical doctor, not ordinary doctor. And I am Panka for software. Away you Bishop be. None can enter my premises. None can please. One page shut a criminal if you have. Come on, musician. I got the word money. Even can open your door having an animal. Frost, I'm talking to you.
Listen, I am old enough to choose whoever I want to.
Ready fool! Mama catch you there. When you funa paka there. You what's the trouble with what they call massage baby I got on? On the touch there you need. Very free rape. She baby when you funa said do. No free young men. Who enter the premises? Do you want them to rape you in my house? At least send a football and pa. And can you have a fandamara? Because this time, it will be the more school no work ball. Let them on you go sing you to watch it. Come on, guitar. Man, I'll catch me your guitar with you.
Father, look, I am tired of all this. I can take care of myself. That's what you.
Hey, Frost! Hey!
And Omaba is your partner, but me saying, and then it be a Jenny better man in the middle. If you are smart, you will win the Sika, win your bow. Win the Biswa, drinking part of the co-room. Second person, worry sick any. Win the person, worry Danny. It may be a Juma, and for some way a judge, doctor, soldier, minister, leverer, teacher, and I said driver. And so young to 40, we are say, a busy up a man, a busy and no crack, a busy as a shakra. That's how we are question for.
Jim.
Fine. Frost or what?
Me trying.
How about time never seen call Jim?
Me she war.
You who word? I want to some me here when you was in come over Jim. Now, when you mean work as done?
Me pacho me biso.
Any producer?
Me pacho David.
Can you sing one line of your track?
Me to me living.
Yeah.
Near my penya crocuro. Sebema beji ni suwe. Sebema bedadano. Amani Trima and a dead.
Jim.
Daddy.
Anyway, it's a good track. Actually, yes, Watchman, come on, quiet.
Ube produce me.
Jim, I said later.
That's it.
Hey, Jim, come. Jim.
Daddy.
It's in your frost easy, and you know whom come here.
Me pacha da no kra me ka chen say on kancho na nka produce pacha
Jim
Daddy.
In me dey area me the net gu wall da na atto san no wa Jim abaye du nko la mu botu po
Daddy, and then first time.
ready fool ebi bia na asamayin nyankopon na wa domam emegbo pe wodo oba tampana ne dodo so nti na wa ma me baba na so we pe nka aboto nkwase atopana egodo
Incamento.
ready fool Jim
Daddy.
don't forget that I am former Chief Justice. My influence, abem. Igina way, mutuma madam, police station po, lunkobi. In fact, ya unkumpo, we bushafu inara, mutuma the way gum, ubiara nkamashi. Former Chief Justice like me. Na me problem wa bemi fie, wa bo wo ma. Umenye nananu ma. In a common musician. Akwadwo fa wate da ho. Musicians are wesum mother. Na guitars de da wo kon ho. Won ntiri huntume. Wotiri ma ye dwunkoti. Won na mapado. Na etitira mubu ho a me invite ho. Wo ba wo hwa mo so na ase. Imagine the Ibrahim po. No what the bafram. Jim. Sapede nyoba papa. Enno banze. Ompare nyankopon do owu agina hwe. Benyama ba waren. No. Nemo mrutofo. Osan the education background. Oye very 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 poor nti. Oba papa te. Alabraka. Jim. Ko Fagetan ko to baby. Make up a lawyer, doctor, chartered accountant, engineer. He a businessman mpa nka mo consider. Say a businessman mpa nka mo consider. No son education background ti game. That mo be your papa bi na waren. Jim repemba wa be mi fe yo wo nananuma ka betse wo sisum na abo wo nkwasiama
Incamenti.
ize gufia ready fool fia kwa jenjang senaba. And how many times must I tell you not to associate yourself with ordinary people?
But Father, you know well that I cannot marry a man who is 10 years older than I am.
Stop it! Stop it! Look! Minya papa funa watina ho. When ya shahan Muhammad Messiah funum. What the one brabo kasha ayebiagunensa. Tito ho ya ho pasan ansan when ya bo woden. As long as I remain as your father, I will never allow that.
Well, Father, Jim has a future, and with time, you're going to see it.
Who told you I have that nonsense time to waste? Who told you? Who told you? Look, you have only 7 days to decide. Either the boy or Eric. Another wabra one basho kwan aya pasa. Inko who baby adu wabra one bafa. Get up from my sight. I'm talking to you. Get up from my sight. Come on, leave my home. Leave now, my daughter. I only knew prodigal son, but I've never heard anything about prodigal daughter. And you are becoming something that uncontrollable, but I will stop you.
Mom.
Yes, do.
Nico.
Me
call rehearsals.
Oh. Na man kan chode nya botal na hwa ha mama na pay na mon kwambra man ka fanya man fambra.
Ebia wo ko fanya ma che me time aso call rehearsals.
Me ncha adi ncha wa na oda ko kafa nya me wa na kafa ba. Sese yin sem na mo ka short nya ma fi yin na short wa ha no. Nti ehu na se ma fa dwene bi ati bi ha m kakra. Ehu da nya me ncha wa na kafo. Enso pene basa. Ikwa na am job esi wo tata. Na wo tata wa ye kor aye bi na todo basa. Me dada anyo. Me mpia se me nti na mesemo kwama aba. Nti awunya abotar. Nti mamon kwamra.
Me call rehearsals time aso.
Nya abotar na rehearsals na bokohwe. Na mum hwade bi yeyo. Afa besi abe ya kaka no dui. High court judge ni be. Na so kwa retirement ni be. Injenti do no no wa bonkrofo pa ma watata wodam no.
Ma jai. Mr. ADO ntimi nya sada.
Oh, odo efra wenwa. Odo efra wenwa sisu waswa. Mama ka nyina nti moli kwadu nyina ehu hwe me pa chaw. Wala nyime de minyipi. Kakre yala adom. E hai kra ya ba hai bra ya ansana. We rehearse am ponka by now kra ncha ya perfect. Onam de no de yedi sika babaje henti no egbo break kakra. Mala mencha hotel fo kra was woje dokono enwa was a 7 on guest bi. Why is a 40 said say abrofa wodi dokono. Mencha wo yema bag na pram na.
O cha baba na me matunko.
Atumu kwa boko. Me bago mpocho. Why that's my menchalo.
Me de ba.
Hello. Hi, Mom. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miraba.
Me pacho Jimo.
Jimmy ho. Practice kaka mo friend rehearsals na nyo or carry heads kaka na guitar ya na ombe.
Oh,
na emo modern krama made. Mam fam mam. Ewa. Since mama we gonna
no ma
dama. Be jina wona
pacho ai. Oni odi ami na kosusia.
Na onye tentene bia. Onye de ehu de. Nansen temi. Se ehu de I get armed robbers. I confirm what tata Jim. Penny basa. Nancy yao 3 times. What tatano, what brun, some down open Mina Moja. Your dad's the one would be put a watch if you know more. You won't put in day. In Chawayer or Damana, Skaka one, no waji. Phone Kitawa, no waji. Want Jennifer. What blooming dama, no, I will need to call. Na me menyin menwe frika kra metsemen wato foma metsemadwene bubua Mama why de ja. Sabi mama ya high class. Why you penye na ba? Hey pia wo papa. So no na wa bon krofo pa da wanya me be da mo. Ona no kita mo wa ha. Obi anyim. Ona ndanche mete ma so tutu fom kakra. Aya na Martin wa ha was. Adi obeye lawyer ya. Da no breathe. Be lawyer ya. Hada wa han krofo. Obi nyim da kra ya da bon. Ehu. Enti chime nankasa create no hofo. Ono ye ne de ba. Mambo wa manze man kan chiro de. Aye hu kakra nti no nche. Obeye nche moto nkwanta anja mo apai. Nti nkatso baby no nsan baby anampo so. Sabotum apia kwai bi do mampanyfo bi nye wo papa kasa. Ana wa po botum esu wo papa do. Na wa atase za. Ono tsincha tsi shoko fiafia de mide. Sencho be fianka sam papa.
Ma pa cho jidi se me ba ko betimi ansa.
Oh, hey. Oh papa. Ko se ja wanyi we jaja. Obi mfa nsa bi nkume nkyere na eja fi kwan na papa zo botumai. Ya me nyim botumai pa. Kakra wa ye mkroma ha. Emranti enkanka mranti a wo hye wo ho dem wo pede wo bembien wo no ze yidwom. Anka dem kura kakra. Ehu. Obenya charge za abo. Nti meraba. It's my porcho. Sama sete hiase. Teacher Mr. Man can show them. Quantana Martin, come on pie. Sanso. Butuma pimping for being one young papa when your papa cassatre. And now one cassa butuma, poor papa name, and you're not cassama when you're no hunter, summer dancer shall be midza. On the door. Quainting. That's a so good day, you'll be fear. Say, me Pedro, now shy you. Tassa my hand. Mama Porcho. Tassi.
Oh, Pacho, Miss Quank.
Quantum, I.
Now I know you could kill an innocent man just because you hate him.
What are you talking about?
Father, don't pretend. Yes, it's all over town that you've hired armed men. And don't lie about that.
Yes. Yes! I can kill a man that tries to destroy the future of my only daughter.
Yes. Now I know how you made your money. You are a killer!
You're the fool! How dare you to insult me? I'm your father!
God.
Ankwanume, anumoyeniwa, ankwanume, anumoyeniwa, medemenya prabo, minyobiabu ami prabo, meninibi mechinibi ai, minyobiabu ami prabo, medemenya prabo, minyobiabu ami prabo, ananibi ajanibi ai. Minyobiabu ami prabo
Anomaba insio pa na bu me say mini papa mini mama abeda manyo no mebuo ewiasema yete uwo sika uwo buo uni bi so adwendwen pa de ubekọ wuom sika ni person wari sikani onye no so dia ne hwan ni ejuma bia ye ejuma emfa wo sa wo ye judge doctor soldier minister labourer teacher anase driver eswa na nimtofo a yese yanyasei yese ye pema ye boabo no hyehye yesa so pema yesa so yakodifo anso iba ni dia anyuma na avo ebo ne sa rahuma anyuma na wo
Ankanume, anumo yeniwa. Ankanume, anumo yeniwa. Madam menya prabhu, minyobi abu ami prabhu. Machin nibi manim nibi, minyobi abu ami prabhu. Madam menya prabhu. Minyobi abu ami prabhu. And then nibi, ajan nibi, minyobi abu ami prabhu.
I want to say, Anwaba, it's your pa na bu me say, mini papa mini mama abeda manyo no mebuo ewiasema yete uwo sika uwo buo uni bi so adwendwen pa de ubekọ wuom sika ni person wari sikani onye no so dia ne hwan ni ejuma bia ye ejuma emfa wo sa wo ye judge doctor soldier minister labourer teacher anase driver eswa na nimtofo a yese yanyasei yese ye pema yesa so yakohwifo yesa so crash hye ye we nyina nkosi hwe
no dear Menya prabhu, pobi abu ami prabhu. Manim nibi, machin nibi, minyobi abu ami prabhu. Madam menya prabhu.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Ya tu ani mnare ni wejani mtu.
Huh? What do you want here?
Come on, I'm here to see you.
You here to see who?
You.
You can't see me. Just walk out of here.
You can't do this. What is wrong with you?
I can do what? I want you to get this straight, okay? My life is at stake here. And I was saying, me be so short. Eh? Who papa catch me say, me fa guitar no ento ho. Na men do. Me fa guitar. Me fa me destiny ento ho. Love any destiny. Me choose bako. My fa destiny.
Hey, dog. Come on, say something.
Say something. What do I have to say? Mr. Wase kwako. O papa, omo ya wedding. O papa no mama, omo ya wedding. Yen anyum to for yanyum. Ana omo didi omeni. Yanyum na omo didi omeni. Na dia omo ayo omo say skeni na ape. Na ye musicians ya yenye. Ye say ya akwadufo ye say. Mr. Wa ko skeni na apa Barack Obama. O skapa mananya preparation ma na ko ho. Masa pam no ne anto anyum no so.
Just sorry, go just get out of here. Get move. Sorry for not me juma den. What do you want from me? Do you want to kill me or what? That's it. Sorry. Sorry, call. Madam, call. Call. No, me please can you be man? Call. Let's see how to do. Okay, now you are. Sorry.
Oh, now go away. All right.
Just get out. Go.
Okay. I will go.
Leave here. Move. Come.
Wait.
Just move here. Get out of here. Move. Come. I'll be trying.
Come on slow.
X. Me see. Edanu me ko fi papa ni hwie ensa gu manim. E ka kitu ebi nanka mani fra. Na madane onipa nua.
Sa ensa na apetesi na say whiskey.
Mitimi umpo.
Hwe, mama ka sam to forget some masem no. Ya kokọ we Ghana broni o. Hwe, forget some masem we so nya hit say ken. E ma bedi wachi no me ka bibia obedwane. Na me hit ya den top be no manko. E ma ne sam say on broni na me na ba. Oh, me ya be for. The bia o no keme do. Sa. Ya pa brofo na nya Ghana ni broni o say ope ka chene so ope skeni awale a. Onko Barack Obama o. Obenye skeni wo ho no. I say jigita no nya fa
no kra me ya nto ayi me so.
Kwanume.
Yeah.
Ankwanume. Anumohyanewa.
Yeah.
Ankwanume. I'm quantum way.
Yeah.
I'm quantum way. I'm more here. Madam, I pray, wo. Minyobia boy, me pray, wo. Madam, Nibi, Madam Nibi. Madam, I pray, wo. Madam, I pray, wo. Minyobia boy, me pray, wo. Ananibi.
What do you think you are doing, my daughter?
I'm going away.
I'm going away. I'm going away. Look, my daughter. I am your father. Look, everything that I have is for you. And where are you going to? Azibiara mazimakra. Sukura makwa. Ijapadibiara mapa. What shall we say? Your daddy wants you to make this little sacrifice. Just a little sacrifice your daddy needs from you. To leave that stupid boyfriend of yours and come home. And I, your father, AD, will embrace you. My beautiful daughter.
Father, since my plea to marry Jim has not reached your approval, I would like to go out there. I prefer going out there to start a new life. Probably as a prostitute.
Prostitute what?
A prostitute, Father, you heard me right.
Cute? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look, my daughter. On your phone, what you bought? Metanimo? Is this Sababonano? Don't try the other side of your daddy. The enemy? Namu. Try me and see.
What are you going to do, Father?
Try me and see.
What are you going to do? I'm not going to be a daughter of a man who has no conscience. Yes. And to disown me is like a dream come true. It's better you disown me.
Disown you?
For me to have love and freedom. And to stay here and die. Excuse me. Have a good night, Father.
Fuzzy! Fuzzy! Hey, watchman, come on! Lock the gates! Lock the head! Lock the gates!
It didn't patch up. It's so very sorry. Mrs. Atibiana, Munamsuno. Na before ne buy, Intina Mammy Casa Chosan. If you be saying, Nibi and Yim. In a Pessoa Babishami, Namsuma Babishao. Can't so Papa a judge. Me baby, if you say me so me papa. No, I ambassador. Impo president to crown eka one vote. And could be president. Me mami okoya na oni ni kodi nkomoyi. Why ambassador pay? Na am say die nyame hwehwe no. Ti kebeya me nu mienu. Yinya sa tibia na yekomu no. Na okay.
Mia, that is not the way I want to live my life. It's me here. Baby. Please, who is this? Whose picture is that?
That picture we your bar or dasui, Uncle your bar or Damakumampa. Imagine say, or none of any bubble bra. And so you could be able to say the name, me, and then on country as if one will where we got in some metro. Nayana Makaino, Tinma Kofa. Name the media can't be seen bed. It's necessary. I had to teach them a break a cracker. Now their own tears as it should be. Now, come to you, but if you things also feel, but
Mama Mira was so much. My kind of relationship and
Whiny, whiny, Jenny, come your dad, none come the brow. And so what I want you, Mandy. Oh, the one Jimmy, come your dad, none come the brow. Whiny, Jenny, come here, down and come in the brow. And so what do you want, Jimendi? I don't want Jimendi. Come here, down and come in the brow. Whiny, whiny. Danny, come here, down and come in the brow.
Thank you so much. Do you do this always?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You see, I want to thank you for everything that you've done to my son to bring him back to his senses. I should have met you earlier.
Mother, it's my joy to know that I've been able to bring joy to your son's life.
Look at me, my daughter. I have more than enough money to make you happy. I don't want you to go. Stay back and do everything that you can to rejuvenate my son for me. Huh? You will never regret it, okay?
Mother, I don't need money. I've come to realize that there's blessing in helping somebody to be happy than me being hurt.
Yes. You sure? Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank God bless you. Stop what you're doing. Let's sit down.
I am almost through.
No, stop it.
Really?
Let's sit down. Are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. My daughter.
Mother.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? I mean, where you come from, your background, your father, your mother. Come on.
I was not a prostitute. I've lost my mother. And my father is the former judge, Mr. Dixon.
Who?
The former Supreme Court judge.
The Supreme Court judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodness. He was a classmate of my husband. And how come you became a prostitute?
It's a long story, Mom.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay.
Drive away.
Kwaba. Oko office. The office. Well, I know Bonnie won't say. Can I person busa about Floxy? So, say, what do you think of her?
About your sister?
On the Oba life, remember who said, on no kwana and neko. Say, for some time, Nanka. Oba we banoko. But Floxy by me who say when not try check a crack. Girl also are hard working. What dear? Or educated. Oh. Sabi on if bonemo. In Tinkana, the person who say Sabeya Nanka may start your preparations now. Yam Shana worry.
Man. Floxy, Hoffy. Very nice, very hard worker. If you pay me, papa will be any man will be. But me near my train send me while see. Impusame warrior. Me am a so ban inside the Naba Chiro. I didn't know to me my life, mamma, and a time I mean home besuma continue. Number 2.
Never. Minim Sunny was it here. Minim Sunny and saying Sabi a 2 for a corner. But my own 2 4. What I'm saying is, oh, yes, serious. I meet me home. So, meet me who's a flossed, only is serious. So, if any worry no mum, Namon settle me, you know.
Miss Reward. Tam no so. The mere babach. That's.
But I have been flossing. I'm a driver. Yeah, fine.
you many. Although I'm you many. Come water and come deep road. Now so I'm you many. Although I'm you many. Come water and come deep road. No bay, and no mattress and no barrier. The train is stress, a stretch young mama, they come here. Whiny, yeah, oh, baby, yeah. Whiny, the dear, yeah. Whiny, dear, come here, and come here, be my whiny, come here, water, come here, so when you many, although when you many, come here, water, and come here, now so when you many, although when you many, come here, water. Come here, water, and come here, deep road. Oh, you may, whiny, yeah. Come here, water, and come here, deep road. My command, my jenny, be water, my brown boy, baby, so when you many, although when you many, come here, water.
Mrs. Johnson!
Hey! Hello, Prof.
Mrs. Johnson!
Hello, Prof.
AGYA the Tigress!
Hey, Professor!
AGYA the Tigress!
Professor!
Wow!
Professor! Can I have the privilege of hugging you, Prof?
You have it already. AGYA the Tigress!
That's me.
AGYA the Tigress!
The Tigress, many are going to say, baby.
AGYA, I'm right to this level.
Oh, I say, what up for that? Hey, Prof. Oh, that will be I said.
From on where should we do it? Let's go inside, AGYA.
Hey, Professor.
AGYA the Tigress!
You're looking wonderful.
Oh, yes.
By the grace of God.
Oh, no.
I see.
That's enough here.
Okay.
Welcome, Mrs. Johnson.
Thank you, Justice. No, Professor, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
No. I'm saying, kami DP ya constrainty meja. And apart from that, I'm watching my figure.
That's my AGYA baby.
I don't want to grow old, Prof.
Mrs. Johnson.
Yes.
I have this serious issue to discuss with you. That's why I invited you here, Mrs. Johnson. Mrs. Johnson, you know, my daughter and your son, it is our responsibility to put them together.
Oh.
And thank God. The both have found the reason they should be together.
This has been my problem for all these years. You know, because I wouldn't sit down for my son to go down the drain.
Never.
With any gold together. But he wouldn't understand.
And it has been my nightmare as well. And thank God, destiny has brought them together. Because no your man would so papa. The push me be a baba what's that one? No. Oka fam musician be or a banda guitar the nature. No, nam had it or a baby me wa paman. No, nam ha. Let's say Ostro Butchanium. Or Butchanium while turn the guapawado. The quenchman's son, I'm a ban. Wait,
Prof. Say because I'm in Kwan and I'm in Ramane. What do you put a musician so you? If it's a musician, a bit more once say one more educated. A be a woman when yes, Cassie are dying to say we. But can you imagine only a crab me banoco fire? Prof. A zongo girl. An ordinary zongo girl.
My God!
Nanya me him who cries a fire anything. Rakia. Now what can what to you? Rakia and then they catch a woman. Look, that's how bad it was. Zongo happened to know really me. Na me kwaka, me be ya tia me. Oh yes. It is Sunday. Unyango panda Roma. Na we chinchin. Na we nye baby anko. Say ya ye mate. Professor. Listen. And I say ye be ya bisiana. Let us on yame na ye. I say they are said that me. Prof. And I think the earlier we put them together, the better.
Yes.
Let's arrange the wedding so that we have them engaged. Whether our how, since we feel you engage when we are, a beautiful wedding amount. Then quite there you worry. And to me know we are dream pa. Me know we are dream. Yeah, my bro. My bro.
It's Ian no from.
Radin
Mankasana Brent on Bodru, I'm wishing him or the minimum kakra. But you know, then no, sir. Someone named no one's with you. See, I have some papa. See, I'm some without winning. It's Yankasa Yansha, sir. Name put it turns to
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Here you are.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow.
Have a taste and see whether you like it.
Okay.
Do you like it?
It tastes good.
It's my favorite whiskey. Now, shall we toast?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Wow.
What are you doing?
Trying to do some graphics, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. My dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Since you met my son, have you felt anything for him?
I think I like him. He's a nice guy to be with.
You do? Good. So, do you mean to tell me that if he wants to ask your hand in marriage, you will accept it?
Yes, ma'am.
How wonderful, wonderful. Then, what is keeping the two of you from marrying?
He hasn't proposed yet.
Really? He hasn't proposed? Why? You are the problem. Why can't you make him propose? Make him propose. Let him propose. Huh? Use your tricks. I mean, the tricks of women. Let him propose tonight. Make him propose. Tomorrow by this time, I want to hear the good news, okay? All right?
All right, Mom.
Okay.
I will.
Let's cheer for that. Wow. Cheers. Yeah.
Now, baby.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, dog.
You are my puppy.
Juari.
Oh, please.
Before we will do this.
How do you know some of your hands?
Tell me, baby. What's your sin behind that? When you bet you
Austin, come on. You need to have some beer no person dear all the time.
Just will be no chili for us and popcorn. You don't move for me, the actual.
Come on, I've seen enough. Then view.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Catawani. For bowing sim. Yeah, share that at all. Say, we, Benham with Mamma no odor. I could we are saying, we say, it be piano, Sabu. Your auntie said,
so happy.
Mamma, Satya. Mammy, I'm in China, I'm going to find shit. We and I'm back. Thank you. Yes.
Come on.
I know my body is your part, now boom, saying, and then it be a Jenny better man in the middle. If you are smart, you will see car when you go. When you be swag, drinking part, who be called room. Second person, what we seek any. When you person, what we gain. It may be a tumor. I'm from Sawoya judge, doctor, soldier, minister, labourer, teacher, and I said driver. And so young to 40, yeah, we are say, a BC up a man, a BC and no crack, a BC a shakra. That's also your question for that's why you're being crying. But now we're one and it's Yanum na wabo, party I say yes, Yanum na wabo, Adore I say, Yanum na wabo, radio so TV, so Yanum na wabo, Itika who send them to 4, yes, you won't fast swapper. Itika who send them to 4, say, yes, you won't fast swapper.